How to use Quicken for small business. Follow the instruction. Open Quicken Home and Business and start a new file for your business finances. Add your business-related bank accounts and credit cards to keep everything in one place. Download or manually enter your transactions to track all income and expenses. Set up business categories so you can organize transactions properly for taxes and reports. Create and manage customer profiles if you need to send invoices. Use the invoice feature to bill clients and keep track of payments. Categorize each business transaction correctly to stay organized. Use tags if you want to track specific jobs, clients, or parts of your business. Run business reports to see profit and loss, cash flow, and tax summaries. Save backups of your Quicken file regularly to keep your data safe. Thank you for watching.